Hey everyone! Today we're gonna make Play-Doh. First, you need 1 cup of flour. Then, a 1/4 cup of salt. Half of a lemon, which should be 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Half a cup of water. And last, 3 tablespoons of oil. Then you're gonna mix. I like to use my hands. This way it's more fun. After you're done mixing, get an adult to supervise and place it on top of a pan. Now you're gonna mix again until it gets hard. That's when you know your Play-Doh is almost ready. Now that it's ready, let's add some colors to our Play-Doh. We have red, yellow, and last but not least, blue. After you put it all in, just give it a mix. Here we have red, yellow, and blue. Now that we're all done, it's time to play and create. Great job, everybody! Make sure to follow us for our next video. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!